Hello everyone, my name is Aminah Wattoo, and today I'm going to be telling you all the reason my group and I chose this topic, pandemics. We chose this topic because we thought that we're going to be having a lot of information about pandemics, as we are facing a pandemic nowadays named coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. We thought that we can elaborate a lot in this topic because we know that what sort of precautions we take during the pandemic. Like we wear a mask and gloves when we go outside. We could also know that what sort of feelings we have during a pandemic. The two pandemics that we're familiar of are coronavirus and polio. During these pandemics, we also get to know that doctors are superheroes. And these pandemics attack our immune system, so we need to make sure that our immune system is strong. Like coronavirus attacked our immune system. That's why we should have vitamins every day and make sure that our immune system is very strong. That's what precautions we can take nowadays. And social distance is something very important. Maintain a social distance so others don't fall for the virus you have. And remember that if you have a good, healthy lifestyle, you won't get affected by these viruses. That's what we thought while choosing this topic. Thank you, everyone.